All right. There's my favorite line again. I really should make a compilation video of me just saying all right. I say it enough. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right, we have holage. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's see how close we are now. All right. All right. All right. I think we're gonna start with this corner piece here. All right. I'm gonna fire the vacuum cleaner and clean this up. All right. All right. We're back at it today. All right. All right. All right. All right. Tape measure it is. All right. All right. Maybe now. All right. 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 It's coming along nicely, but I got a big gap. All right. All right. Let's cut this out and see how close we are. All right. All right. Just let me put it where I want to then. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I found this piece of cardboard. All right. All right. All right. Trim up to the line. All right. All right. I got to do a little cleanup again, but we just finished our plate. All right. Well, there you have it.